Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are keeping well. Welcome back for the EVS class. In the last class, I have done the lesson water. Now tell me, who need the water? All human beings, plants, animals, and birds. All living things need the water. Right? Yes. What are the uses of water? Why do we need water? We need water for what? For drinking, for cooking, for bathing, and for washing the clothes, cleaning, for agriculture, and to wash the vehicles, and many other things we need the water. Now, let us learn the sources of water. In this lesson, let us learn about the sources of water. Here, can you see the picture? One girl is watering the plants. One boy is drinking the water. He is near the open well. One, and also there is a hand pump. It's a bore well. So these are the sources of water. Which are the sources of water here? Well, open well, and the bore well. Right? Yes. Now, can you see here? There are many sources of water: ocean, pond, lake, stream, a river. These also are the sources of water. But one thing, the main source of water, which is the main source of water? Can you see here? What is this? Here it's raining, right? This is a photo of raining. Here see the raining. The rain is the main source of water. If there is no rain, we won't get water. There will not be water anywhere. Everywhere will be dried. We need water. We need rain to get water. If there is no rain, there is no water for anything. Anywhere you will not get the water. So main source of water is which? Rain. Rain is the main source of water. Okay. Then here the boy is drinking the water, right? Yes. How should be the water, drinking water? Is it dirty or clean? Yeah, drinking water must be clean. So we have to drink clean water, not the dirty water. If we drink dirty water, what will happen? We feel sick, we feel unhealthy. We get cough, fever, or cold, right? Yes. So drinking water should be clean, and we have to drink water how? We have to drink boiled water. Boil and cool it down. So after cooling, after boiling, it must keep for cooling. After cooling, we have to drink that water. Or we can drink warm water too. Okay. That is a clean water we need for drinking, right? So you understood what are the sources of water, right? River, pond, ocean, well, tube well or bore well, lake, stream, river, pond, ocean, and main source of water is rain. Which is the main source of water is rain. Who need the water? All animals, all plants, all human beings, all birds. It means all living creatures need the water, right? Yes, we need All of us need the water. I will give you some notes, children. Write neatly in your notebook. I hope I asked you to write 5 uses of water in your rough book. I hope all of you have written it. Okay? Did you all understood the lesson? I hope all of you understood the lesson. Write the notes neatly. Children, on the margin, write today's date. Lesson 3, water. Remember number 1, fill in the blanks. 1. Rain is dash is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. 2. Plants, animals and birds need dash. Plants, animals and birds need water. Drinking water should be dash. Drinking water should be clean. Dash need water to grow. Plants need water to grow. Remember number 2. Answer the following. 1. Who need water? All plants, animals and human beings need water. 2. What are the uses of water in our daily life? Drinking, washing, cooking and bathing. Where do you get water for your house? From the well, bore well. What do we do when we are thirsty? When we are thirsty, we drink water. This is the notes for you, children. Write neatly in your notebook. Thank you.